to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 108 has been issued from 5:15 p.m. until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Union, New Jersey, and New York Harbor. The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 109, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and Somerset. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 109 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and Somerset. At 5 p.m. at Dallas Farmingdale Airport, it was sunny.